Hi, I'm Mohammed and you're watching the 23rd episode of the Academic IELTS Writing Series. Today we'll complete our double action essay supporting paragraphs by adding discussion and conclusion sentences to them. Now let's get started. In this paragraph, we're trying to explain and prove the preventive impact of punishment. Furthermore, when mistaking wrong for right has consequences, children learn to subscribe to their parents' idea of wrong and right. It is therefore clear that punishment is the only way to teach the young to distinguish right from wrong. Now let's take care of the second paragraph. In fact, disciplining children through encouragement, rewards, and even negotiable rules are guaranteed to have a lasting effect. Obviously, punishment would be ineffective in teaching proper behavior unless it is guided by reason. In the next episode, we'll learn about the conclusion paragraph structure. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Hey, it's me again. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Ask me your questions in the comments below. You can also contact me at mohammedgulpaigani@gmail.com for online lessons.